This video will guide you step by step on how to install the Fexadon Tech ARGB fan and correctly connect it to the motherboard interface. The package includes an ARGB fan and a pack of mounting screws. If your motherboard does not have a 5V3-pin interface, you will need to prepare an additional ARGB fan hub. Before installation, remove the protective film attached to the fan lens. First, place the fan into the preset position on the chassis. Align the fan with the screw holes on the chassis and secure the screws in a diagonal pattern for balance. Connect the 12V4-pin power supply connector to the corresponding fan slot on the motherboard. Note, please don't confuse it with the 12V4-pin connector. The wrong insertion of the fan connector will lead to fan damage. Ensure that the 12V4-pin connector is plugged into the correct socket on the motherboard. Connect the serialized 5V3-pin male connector to the correct socket on the motherboard. Pay attention to the orientation of the sockets when connecting, and do not load more than 6 ports on a single connector. Note when connecting, do not confuse it with the 12V4 pin. Please make sure to connect the 5V3 pin connector correctly. If the motherboard does not have a 5V3 pin connector or does not have enough of them, or does not support the ARGB function, an additional ARGB fan hub is required. After connecting, the lighting effects can be adjusted by motherboard software from major manufacturers. If the fan light does not work, check the 5V3 pin connector. If the fan's light does not come on or is out of sync, check the 5V3 pin connector. Users with fan hubs can make adjustments through the hubs controller. Finally, start your light effects extravaganza!